I am pretty sure I'm the only foreigner on this entire train. This is definitely a local spot. It's 5:55 a.m. I need to find out how to get to Shimla using a toy train. A lot of people getting off the train right here. I was in the S8 sleeper car that you see. It's a very long train. Very long. I put rain covers on my bags. I took a suitcase for a lady who was struggling. I'm in line at the ticketing counter to buy a ticket to Shimla. Alright, rain is coming down very hard right now. Heavy rain. I'm trying to find platform 5 to get to Shimla. I made it to platform number 5. This is a general class. May be very crowded. I barely got on the train. This train's quite packed, as you can see. It's 7:40 a.m. We stopped in Taksal. This is a crossing junction for trains. It's a single tracking on that side. Basically waiting for another train to pass through. It's a general class train that goes from Kalka to Shimla. I could not get into the toy train because there was a 1200 rupee and I did not have 1200 rupee. I only had a little bit of money. But this train costs only 50 rupee. 50 rupee for me to ride. There's some nice people on the train. People are very friendly. Very, very friendly. And many people speak English pretty well. You can see the tracks are single track going forward. So our train is waiting for another train to pass through before proceeding north. I am pretty sure I'm the only foreigner on this entire train. I have not seen a single foreigner. I know that many YouTubers mentioned that people from India like to stare. I haven't noticed that. I mean, they may like check you out a little bit, but not to the extent where I felt threatened. People are very friendly. It's almost like they're very used to seeing foreigners in this country. Not too many people stare. If they stare, it's very brief. They're just like looking at you because you just look different, but not to the extent where I felt unsafe. There are issues up the track, so they removed the engine and it looks like engine is going to the other side of the train, and this train is going back to Kalka again. Some people got off the train and decided to take a bus. I'm going back to Kalka and look for another way to get to Shimla. I'll probably take a bus back to Shimla. It's 9:52 a.m. I am back in Kalka railway station. due to the heavy rain, there was a landslide along the tracks to Shimla. The friends I met on the train and I are taking a motor rickshaw to a bus terminal, a bus station, to see whether we can catch a bus to Shimla. I was able to get some money out of the ATM. I'm going to try some street food with the friends I met on the train to Kalka. Very nice gentlemen. They just graduated from college, both of them mechanical engineering degree, and they are on a short vacation after graduation before they start work. They went to school in Bangalore. I'm washing my hands before I eat because I need to eat with my hands. This is definitely a local spot. I don't see any foreigners in this area, but I'm very excited to try some local food. Video. Can you tell me the name of this food?
इसका नाम छोले भटूरे छोले भटूरे ये भटूरे है ये छोले है हाँ जी ये भटूरे है ये छोले है
Okay.
दोनों मिलके छोले भटूरे
Okay, Chole Bhature. Okay, 45 rupees.
हाँ सही बोला गाड़ी है ये नहीं बंदी को नहीं बोला लगता बंदी मेरा आगे ले गया
So is this common food in India? Common? Very common?
These are northern food.
Northern food?
Yeah. Is it nice?
Very nice. This is so good. This bread is so good. This meal, 45 rupees, excellent. This bread is so soft and warm and chewy at the same time. And this sauce is just excellent. Very good food. This is a bus that should take us to Shimla. Oh. Wow, I'm sorry. It's all locals. No foreigners on this bus. I love it. I don't think there's more space on the bus, but they keep loading up the bus. The road to Shimla is very curvy and mountainous. We have to transfer bus. It's 3:56 p.m. Just arrived in Shimla. That was a rough bus ride. So many curves, people throwing up, babies crying. Oh, what a ride. What a ride. Finally in Shimla though. I need to find me a lodging. Okay, this is samosa. It's 15 rupee each. It's my first samosa ever. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Okay. All right. Let me check it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Samosa is very tasty. They added some salt for flavor. My first samosa ever. What did you get? What is that?
Taste it.
There's Christ Church, Shimla. It's definitely a very touristy area. We're at the very famous Himachali Rasoi. This is one of the most popular restaurants. We're in the Himachal area, and when in Himachal area, you have to try Himachali food. So this restaurant has only 4 tables on the main floor, and there are more spaces on the second floor, but you have to take your shoes off. Very intimate space on the second floor. You're sitting on the floor actually. This is Kangri Dham Thali. It comes with rice, 4 curries, and bundi. This is 300 rupee. I also ordered sweet lassi. Lassi was 60 rupees. My first time trying lassi, and this is the Himachali food. Himachali food, yeah. And I'm here with my friends, Sanjay. Hello.
Namaste.
Okay, this is Sidu, which is a steamed wheat bun with filling, and this is the savory one. And you say couscous has a poppy seeds and split lentil. Okay. I am at High Menace Cafe and Bar with Sanjay and Kiran.